Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. So what are these things? So these, for those who are not in the know, are ice safety picks, or an ice awl if you will. Basically they're just an ice pick that is on a bit of cord that goes around your neck. So if you fall into the ice while in the pursuit of ice fishing and fishing fish, or you're out on a frozen lake somewhere and you do happen to go through, these give you traction that you otherwise would not have if you were just trying to use a gloved hand and trying to pull yourself out of a slippery situation. So a couple things to note about this. I did decide to go for a double band, one on each end. This dowel here that I'm using for the actual handle material, on the one side here it actually split. It's split a little bit by the time I put the rest of this in here. So I went ahead and double banded it in copper. Also, it gives it a bit more visibility. Now, you can buy these for like dirt cheap online. I just wanted to make my own because, well, I'm a blacksmith. Another thing to point out is this is high carbon steel. Because these picks are small and you don't want them to bend over or something like that. I did make these out of spring steel. Now, I did not do any post-heat treatment to these, so I did not harden them, temper them, or anything like that. What I did do, however, is I let them normalize at room temperature, or whatever this temperature is. I don't know if you guys can see my breath. I can see it in the shop here. Yeah, so I let it normalize at room temperature, just laying off to the side of the forge there, and that should be fine enough. Reason why I didn't go through the heat treatment process on these is because I do not want to take a chance of it being too hard or these end up getting brittle, because what good would that do me? I go smack one of these down in the ice and they snap off on me and I'm running with two little nubs on a string, right? No good. So I'd rather them be tough than hard. They don't have to be super hard, because hopefully you will never have to use these. That's the plan anyhow, right? They should always stay right around the neck and you should never have to use them in the best case of scenarios. So that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if it's something you're into and you want to see more content like this. By all means, discuss down in the comment section down below. And thank you to all the channel members that support this content and make it possible. And also thank you to everybody who purchases our DIY blacksmithing blanks over at our website, blacksmithingblanks.com. I really can't say thank you enough, and that I appreciate you all so much for that. It really goes a long way to helping out with these videos. So that's it for today. God bless. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.